So in this session, I will discuss future value concept. So firstly, I'll let you know what is the meaning of compounding. Compounding is the process of finding the future value. Suppose you have 100 rupees today and you want to invest that money, say in bank, in your saving account or in your FDs. So the process of calculating the future value when you know the rate of interest charged by bank and the time period or duration we can say for which you are going to invest your money, so then you can use compounding techniques to find out the future value of your cash flows. So there is a concept that is compound interest that we have to apply in order to calculate the future value. So now I'll let you know the difference between compound interest and simple interest. See, in case of simple interest, the return, the interest amount remains same throughout the period. If you are getting 10 rupees 10 interest in the first year, the same return you will be getting in the second year. Okay, so return or interest remains same throughout the time period. On the other hand, compound interest is the interest that is received on the principal amount plus interest earned in the previous year. Okay, in the first year, see, in the first year, in case of both compound interest as well as simple interest, interest remains same, but in the second year, compound interest will be calculated on the principal plus interest of previous year. On the other hand, simple interest is calculated on the principal amount only. So next is present value concept. So in order to explain the present value or in order to calculate the future value, you have to apply the discounting techniques. So discounting is the process of determining the present value. Suppose you know that after 10 years, suppose you want to get rupees 1 lakh after 10 years. So now you can calculate by applying discounting techniques that what is the amount that you need to invest today so that you will get 1 lakh rupees after 10 years. And the interest rate used for discounting cash flow is called discount rate, right? So thank you so much. This is all from my side.